My name is Samer Taqiyuddin. I'm a PhD student in the CIS department, and I'm presenting today research about internet banking diffusion, a country-level analysis. And in this research, I found in the literature that there is a gap because the previous literature has been focusing on consumer-level type of research. However, country-level analysis haven't been approached. And still the problem in the area of internet banking diffusion is basically related to the low diffusion rates in so many countries in regard of internet banking adoption. And so when we looked at the data available at the country level, we found that several countries, they have different rates of adoption. Some would have like up to 90% adoption, some they are very low, within 3% and 4% adoption. And for that reason, we are asking the research question why different countries have different levels of internet banking adoption. And using that model and using some infrastructure, IT infrastructure variables, and one economic variable, we were able to suggest several hypotheses using structural equation modeling. And 33 European countries, we were able to find support for most of the hypotheses. However, a couple of them were not supported, but still this gave us information that basically internet banking adoption or diffusion is basically affected by internet, and the other factors they affect internet banking through the internet use, and which we call it full mediation. And definitely these are macro level findings that would help lawmakers to make decisions to improve the infrastructure and the use of technology in countries. Thank you.